Yeah, this is Sonny Rickmansworth. We're here to deal with a matter of property theft by the council from this magnificent property with 2 acres and tennis courts and all that for alleged liability order. This place is worth maybe close to a couple of million.
2 million.
And liability order allegedly so of 1200 or something, and this lady had just paid them 6 grand. Yeah, so Zena, tell us what's happened. Your family worked and bought this property.
We worked all our lives to buy this property. We were waiting for some fund to come from abroad, from a sale of another business.
So your family are ordinary business people.
Yeah.
And you've
From
also
East Africa.
they've also stolen a couple of other properties from you.
They have, yes,
Worth a lot of money in London. That
Yes,
is your
yes.
family's pension and so on.
Yes, it is.
So you're a hard-working Asian family.
Yes.
You bought a couple of properties,
Yes.
and your parents are ill, and you're a carer.
My father passed away.
Mm-hmm.
He had a heart attack because of the property in London.
Because of the harassment
Harassment.
and aggravation.
Aggravation.
Yeah.
Yes. He passed away, and my mother's had a stroke, and she's had a second stroke recently because of.
So you're busy being a carer.
I'm looking
And
after.
would you
her at
say
the
you're a
moment.
vulnerable person as a result?
Of course I am.
Yes.
Yes, of course I am.
Now they've been harassing you with some mysterious court proceedings,
Yes.
and no matter what you do, nobody listens to you.
No.
Nobody answers your questions.
No.
And
The transcript.
yeah, forget the transcript.
Yeah.
We're talking here. You've come and asked me for help some time ago,
I have. Yes.
and I've written a few letters on your behalf.
You have.
And as a result, they've cancelled an eviction on 2 occasions
Two
because they were
evictions.
not able to produce any valid proceedings that there was a valid and lawful
Yeah.
eviction. So as a result, they've boarded up your house with some ugly boards and back and front, and
I like to say that I've paid 36,000 in total.
yeah,
They
okay.
haven't given me a
But,
breakdown
okay.
of.
So we had the chief executive, Stephen Hall for Three Rivers Council, requested a meeting with us today, which we
Yes.
just attended,
Yes.
and it was attended by Peter Batchelor, the recovery officer, and Anne Morgan, a senior solicitor,
Yes.
who pretended all along that she was an assistant, because there was Jessima
Jessima
Sweeny seemed to be the one,
who was.
but today they told us Anne Morgan is the main solicitor.
Yes.
And they fiddle around answering the phones, don't they, when you
Yes,
call?
They don't answer the. They're never there. They're on holiday or on leave.
Yeah. And do you
they
believe
work
that they're on?
2 days a week?
Do you
or
believe they're
something.
on all these holidays?
That's what they tell me.
Okay, but do
That's
you
what they
believe it's
tell me.
true?
No,
Okay.
because you only get 4 weeks in a ordinary
Yeah,
person
okay.
only gets 4 weeks.
So Stephen Hall said to us today that you didn't keep up your payments on council tax, and that is the reason. So I'm not getting interested in the amount and the. So he confirmed that it was a debt for money.
That's right. Yes.
So we questioned how could it end in a magistrate's court, and they couldn't answer. They couldn't give an answer
No, he didn't.
because magistrate court is a criminal court.
Yes.
So we asked them for the liability order, and they admit they didn't have one.
No.
They said they have a paper which confirms, but they don't have the order that the paper confirms.
Yes, and he also said that it was sent to me, but I've never.
Now
ever
don't
seen
worry
it.
about all that. They don't have it with them in there. We were in their office.
Yes.
We also asked them for a copy of the receipt paid for the proceedings.
Yes.
Because they're giving you a bill, and the fee for these proceedings are on the bill.
Should be.
And we believe no fee has been paid
No.
because they're bogus proceedings. And we have a letter from Ministry of Justice that says if there's no fee paid, the case is void.
Right. Okay.
So we also asked them for the copy of the receipt for the county court proceedings,
Yes.
where they used the bogus liability order to take into the county court as proof of debt.
Yes.
But somehow they say they take possession, which the law doesn't allow you to take possession based on the debt.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the law.
Yes.
So they weren't able to produce anything.
They would.
They had
didn't.
three
Yeah,
little
they-
pieces of county court papers, which I
Yeah.
said to them, can you tell me who made up these word processing documents?
Yes, you did. Yes.
And I asked them for the receipt and so on, the notice of issue, whatever. They
Yes.
can't produce anything. And they
No.
said, oh, I want to examine all the points of the case.
Yes.
But there is no case, because this damn proceeding was never issued by the court.
Well, yes.
That's what it is.
Yes, it is. It is that.
And I'm saying I'm an accountant. I need the receipt so I can
Make paper.
audit the figures.
Yes.
They all went in silence.
Yes.
They don't have a receipt
No.
because they never paid a court fee
No.
and they don't have a valid case.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So shall we go and get back to your house?
Please, yes.
What would you
because
like? What would you like the outcome of this for you and all the other victims by
I
the
would like everybody to get their property back, and obviously our hearts are in this property. My mother's had a second stroke, and it's the worry of what these people are doing. They're just taking away. If you steal a bar of chocolate from a supermarket, you get a criminal record. You're taken into police, you get a criminal record.
A single woman, a single mother
Yeah.
was just jailed
Yes.
for finding
Yes.
£20 on the floor of a shop.
Finding.
It, and it's on video camera that she picked it up off the floor.
Right. Okay.
And she still got convicted in a criminal court for £20.
This is crazy.
So these people want to take your property for $2 million.
It's worth 2 million, and they
So-
put a low price of
So
1,300.
while we're
1.3.
talking, as I said in the meeting,
Yes.
the CEO of Barclays Bank
Yes.
and many of the managers have been indicted today for fraud
That's right.
in a
yes.
criminal court.
Yes.
And this follows H. Boslott, who got
Yes.
11 years in jail.
Yes.
So we are seeing a turn, aren't we?
Yes. Hopefully. Pray
Things
to
are
God.
turning.
Yes.
We just
yes.
had in Spain, they jailed 65 bankers.
Okay.
So they're facing criminal
proceedings.
for the first time, and this is giving us hope because it should have been that way from the beginning. Thank you very
Should have
much,
been. Thank you very
and
much.
I feel for you.
I want to say thank you to Anthony and the team for helping us, because otherwise our voices are not heard. I went to a solicitor, but they're not prepared to take on the case because
They're not prepared to deal with the void proceedings.
No,
They
no,
want
they're not.
money to go in the merit.
No.
How much money did you pay approximately? For the three houses together?
I would say about 35,000 pounds.
I'm a lot cheaper. Thank you, Zena.
Thank you very much.